If your life feels stuck right now, listen to me for a moment. Life is not easy and it never will be. Nobody is coming to save you. Nobody will fix your problem for you. But there is something you can do. You can choose to change your story starting today. So, hear this carefully. Because what I am about to say might shift the way you look at your life. This world is not easy. Living is not easy. It has never been and it will never be. No one will come to you and say, I got this. I'll solve your problems. You have to do it yourself. Use the time you have on this planet sensibly. Don't waste it. Make experiences, memories, and mistakes. Fall 7 times, stand up 8. And if you get to a point where you feel your life is going into the wrong direction, stop. Take a deep breath. Put your hair up in the bun. Drink some coffee and handle it. Your best teacher is your last mistake. And remember, the storm will not last forever. You have the power to change your life, make a difference, and reinvent yourself. Improve yourself. 365 new days, 365 new chances. All that matter is that you are happy. Because happy girls are the prettiest. Travel as much as you can. Fall in love. Be humble and don't take happy moments for granted. Do more of what makes you happy. Be brave. Believe in yourself. You only have this one life. Do what feels good. Do more of it. Don't stop until you are satisfied and you feel you are done your best. Take risks. You have this one life. It's your life. Don't waste it. Make yourself proud and start now. Don't worry about tomorrow and let the past behind you. Live in the moment. No one knows you better than you know yourself. Accept yourself. Be yourself. And most of all, love yourself. Go out there and be ambitious. Work hard to get stuff done. Face your fears. Always be a work in progress. The quickest way to happiness is to be flawless. Talk about yourself less because everything doesn't need to be talked about. Simplicity is the key. A real woman avoids drama and she knows when to move on. Let karma do its work. Everything will happen for a reason. Everything is happen by its time. Every day you gain new experiences that shapes you. Your personality is work in progress. Remember that no character is born perfectly. A stone only looks perfected because it had to fall into deep seas and had to go through rough waves. The difference between who you are and who you want to be is what you do. Stay tuned to yourself in everything you do. Be careful who you surround yourself with and who you trust. Everyone you meet is fighting a battle you know nothing about. Be kind always. Go up to people without prejudgment. Offer the world your smile and see how it changes your surroundings. And yes, of course, going up to people and managing your life is not always easy. Often you will be afraid of doing stuff. But remember, fear is only created in your head. Don't let it conquer you. Conquer it, face it, and change the game. Don't let the game change you. FEAR, fear has two meanings. Forget everything and run. Or face everything and rise. The choice is yours. And yes, people not always nice to you. They will hurt you, but sadly, that's what life is. Don't let it stop you from falling in love over and over again. Make new friends and go deeper into friendship. It is worth every heartbreak and rejection you will ever experience. Friends are family and they cheer you up on your bad days and laugh with you in your happy moments. Don't forget, you are never alone. No matter what happens, never forget the one you love and who love you, friends and family. Together you create memory that last forever, bad and good ones. Be loyal to the ones you care about. Sometimes you get disappointed by people. Sometimes it is necessary to draw a line, cross out somebody who isn't good for you. It hurts to let go, but no heartbreak will ever kill you. Time heals all wounds, and remember, what doesn't kill you make you stronger. Be independent, be selfless. People hurt you in life. Deal with it. Don't judge anyone for his flaws because that's what makes us all vulnerable and imperfect. You shouldn't treat people the way they treat you. Treat people the way you want to be treated. Don't fight evil with evil. Remember how lucky you are to live in your country. You have the chance to live in a peace and you can voice your opinion freely without being persecuted. Go out and stand up for it. Help the ones who need help. You have the privilege to vote for whoever you want. To believe in whatever religion. Choose your identity. Remember that we live in a world so hateful. Some would rather die than be who they are. It is only a tiny minority of the world's population that has privileged standard of living and can moan about its first world problem. Eating so much for dinner that you can't eat the dessert anymore. or being too lazy to charge your phone although it's dying. So don't waste your time that is given to you. Reach for the stars and strive for more than you think is possible. Be a daydreamer and night thinker. Be sure that in the end everyone will be good. And it's not good yet, it's not the end either. Live a life to express, not to impress, and embrace little things. Give every day the chance to be the best day in your life. Stay hungry, stay foolish, and remember that little party never killed anybody. Bye.